In today's video, I'm going to teach you design a bookshelf layout using shapes or images of books on a slide. We'll build a clean, clickable bookshelf that lets your audience open book details, summaries, or activities with a single click, and we'll finish by testing everything in present mode so it works exactly the way you expect. Start by setting up your bookshelf on a single slide. You can draw a shelf using rectangles, or keep it simple with a plain background and a neat row or two of book spines. Use shapes to represent books, or insert images if you have cover art. Keep sizes consistent so the layout looks organized. Turn on guides or grid lines if your tool supports them, and space your books evenly for visual balance. Add a short title under each book if you like. If you're using a shape and a text box together, group them so the entire book area acts as one clickable target later. This makes navigation easier and more forgiving for your audience. Next, add links to each book image or title. Right-click the item, choose Link, and then pick Slides in this presentation, website, or document. If your book should open a slide inside your deck, choose Slides in this presentation and select the corresponding slide. If it should open an external website or a document, paste the URL or link to that file. Repeat this for each book so everyone has a clear destination. A quick tip: make the clickable area slightly larger than the visible book by linking the grouped object, not just the text. It helps prevent missed clicks. Create separate slides for your book details, summaries, or activities. Keep a consistent layout for these slides. Maybe a title at the top, a brief description or summary, and any media or instructions you need. Reuse the same style so it feels cohesive when your viewer moves from the shelf to a detail slide. Name these slides clearly in the slide navigator, because that makes linking and later edits much easier. Now test everything in present mode. Click each book and confirm it goes to the right place. If a link doesn't work, exit present, fix the link, and test again. Check that the cursor changes to a hand when you hover over books, so users know they're clickable. Finally, for a polished look, add subtle animations or transitions. A quick fade or gentle slide transition is enough to feel professional without distracting from your content. Keep durations short and consistent across slides. And that's it. Your interactive bookshelf is ready to go.